Good morning. Today we're going to have a room tour of room number 364 at the Hotel Kolfuschgerhof in Colfosco, Italy. This is in the Dolomite area. This is a suite. Features a seating area for 4 here. Very nice wood tones on the walls, the ceilings, the floor. So as you come into the suite, you're greeted with an amazing view out to the Boy Mountain, B-O-E. There's a seating area here, a self-service bar area with an espresso coffee machine, electric kettle for teas, hot water. There's a stocked mini bar refrigerator in here and a slide out shelf here with some glassware and some bar utensils. There's plenty of storage here in the 3 closets. Again, the view just beckons from any corner of the room. It's a comfortable king-size bed with a nice tufted headboard. Let's take a look out on the balcony. And then moving back into the room, there is a separate water closet with a toilet, both a toilet and a bidet. And then the shower area also has very nice wooden ceilings. I love the rustic look of the doors. Large soaking tub, and then coming around the corner, there's a heated towel warmer here. Coming around the corner is a very nice shower with both a rainfall shower head, and a hand sprayer. Nice LED lighting throughout. Moving back towards the room, coming out of the shower area, once again greeted by that amazing view. So once again, this is room number 364 of the Hotel Kolfuschgerhof in Colfosco. This is part of the Alto Adige region of Italy. Thanks for watching.